Good evening. Hope everybody's well. Thank you very much. Sorry, I got a laugh. Mark's playing the piano in the background. I think he thinks he's what's the word? Oh no, one of the pianists. Anyway, welcome to another Friday Night Live. Hope you're all well. Hope you all had a great week, and I hope you're all safe and well. So this week I'm going to break out the Proxxon again. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive this time. I wasn't quite aggressive last time, so I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive. So first off, let's bring the guys in. And let's have a look here. Hang on, how do I remember how to do this? There we go. Oh, not that one, this one. There you go. That's a bit better.
That's better. That's better.
That's better. So thank you very much to Mark and Wayne for coming over. Thanks for joining me again, guys.
Good evening, everybody.
Hi, everyone.
So I have a piece of, it says on it, elm. Says on it 9.5 by 1.5 inches. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and leave quite a wide lip on this. Turn the back and leave quite a wide lip on it. Pretty. I'm going to try and do it so the Proxxon comes through some of the edge to give me the three-dimensional look. Not sure whether I'm going to colour it or whether I'm going to leave it natural. I'm not 100% sure yet. So it's going to be a sort of play it by ear and suck it and see. So I'll get this in the lathe. I'll get my smock on, and while I'm doing that, I'll get these gentlemen to welcome you all in. Stick you guys in the background as well, if that's all right.
Yeah, well, definitely.
me put it on the top. You can see it a bit better on the top, I think.
Oh yes, that colour's showing up now. Yeah.
Just see a little shadow on it. Okay?
That is
nice.
gorgeous.
And because you can see the light through it. Don't know if you can just see the light through it, can you?
Yeah.
There you go. Light on it. It's a bit bright.
That's wicked.
Cool. Turn that off if not blare. Right. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, that's better. Look, you can see it through there. Look, there you go. Wrong way, Stephen.
That's it.
God, it's always backwards, isn't it? So, so anyway, be here all night if not. So there we go. The red, Jo Sonja red. So don't forget, if you go and buy Jo Sonja paints, make sure you put in your comments you saw it from Wayne the Woodturner first, because Wayne is supported by Jo. So let's see if we can give him a helping hand. Right, let's bring you guys back. Close on, Mark. Go. Here we are. Right, show your piece, Wayne.
Right, this is the one I did. It's a wee bit bigger than Steve's. This one's about 18 inches diameter.
Yeah, only a wee bit bigger.
So that's the one I did a couple of weeks ago on a live, and it will be going out as a premiere on Sunday night at 8:30.
Wayne didn't cut that with the Proxxon though. He cut that with an angle grinder, 4-inch angle grinder.
No, I actually used both.
Oh right, okay.
I used both. I used the Proxxon and I used a 4.5-inch angle grinder, with the Arbortech cutting blade in there.
Nice, very nice. So, guys, I hope you've enjoyed. Oh, pick it up. So, thank you very much, Wayne, for your assistance. Very nice.
No problem.
Very nice. I do like that. It's nice. Something I've never done before. I'm a bit, I wouldn't say OCD, but things have got to be symmetrical and look pretty. But I've actually quite enjoyed that, and I do like the look. I like how you can see through it. Looks good. I like it. Good. So, guys, thank you very much for coming over.